morning students, welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. Continue the chapter Trigonometry exercise 6.1. Fourth question is, prove the following identities. The first one, secant power 6 theta equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. The second one, sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square that equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. That is a question. We take LHS value that equal to secant power 6 theta. And now explain the secant power 6 theta means secant square theta the whole cube. And then write the identity of secant square theta. What is identity? Yes, that is 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, secant square theta means 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. We write the simplified value tan square theta plus 1 the whole cube. This is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. That is, explain the formula a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What is the a value is? Yes, that is tan square theta, and b value is 1. Therefore, substitute the value of a and b in the equation. A cube, that is tan square theta the whole cube plus 3a square 3 tan square theta the whole square into b value is 1 plus 3 into a value is tan square theta into b value is 1. Therefore, b square 1 square plus b value is 1, that is b cube means 1 cube, that equal to tan power 6 theta 2 into 3 6 theta tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square the whole square means that is tan power 4 theta. We split the value tan square theta into tan square theta. What is the identity of tan square theta? That is secant square theta minus 1 plus 3 tan square theta plus 1 cube into 1, that equal to 1, equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta, multiple the value 3 tan square theta into secant square theta 3 tan square theta into secant square theta minus 1 into 3 tan square means 3 tan square minus 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan square theta plus 1. Now cancel plus 3 tan square theta minus 3 tan square theta is cancel, that equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1, that is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Can you understand? Okay. Second subdivision, LHS equal to sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. First we explain a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. First, a sin theta plus secant theta the whole square means that is sin square theta, a value is sin theta and b value is secant theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus 2ab means 2 sin theta into secant theta plus b square means secant square theta plus second part cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Again explain a plus b the whole square formula. Therefore, a value is cos square theta plus 2ab 2 cos theta into cosecant theta plus b square means cosecant square theta. Okay, next, what is the answer of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Yes, that is 1. Now change the order, that equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into secant theta plus 2 cos theta into cosecant theta, that equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus take the common value 2, that is 2 remaining sin theta. What is secant theta formula is 1 by cos theta, therefore sin by cos theta plus cos theta. Formula of cosecant is 1 by sin theta, therefore we write cos by sin theta, that is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, take LCM or cross multiplying, therefore sin into sin, sin square theta, cos into cos, cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, that equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into, the numerator is sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1, therefore 1 by sin theta into cos theta, that equal to 1 plus, now write the secant square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into, what is the answer of 1 by sin theta? Yes, that is cosecant theta, and 1 by cos theta answer is secant theta, therefore that is a formula of a plus b the whole square, therefore a value is secant theta, b value is cosecant theta, that is 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square, that is equal to RHS, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Can you understand? Okay. Next, fifth question. Prove the following identities. First one, secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1. Second one, cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. Therefore LHS equal to secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Okay, now multiply the value of secant square 4 theta, secant power 4 theta into 1, that is secant power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta into secant power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Next, we write the value of secant power 4 theta is, secant theta reciprocal value is 1 by cos theta, therefore 1 minus sin power 4 theta into 1 by cos power 4 theta, that is divided by cos power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta, that equal to, we simplify the one, we split the values, 1 by cos power 4 theta that equal to secant power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta equal to tan power 4 theta, therefore minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Again we explain that equal to secant theta reciprocal value is 1 by cos theta, therefore secant power 4 theta equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta minus tan theta value is sin by cos theta, that equal to tan power 4 means sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta minus 2 tan theta value is sin theta divided by cos theta, therefore minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta, that equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta, that equal to, now take LCM, the denominator values are first one cos power 4 theta, second one also cos power 4 theta, third one cos square theta, therefore take LCM, cos power 4 theta is LCM value, that equal to 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. Okay, that equal to 1 plus, we add and subtract of cos power 4 theta in numerator, that is 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. Now split the value of 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus, take common value of minus the remaining 3 terms, therefore minus sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Okay, that is take common value of minus, because we have to write the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square formula, divided by cos power 4 theta, that equal to 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus, this is the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square, that is a plus b the whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by cos power 4 theta, that equal to 1 plus cos power 4 theta. What is answer of sin square theta plus cos square theta value? Yes, that is 1. Therefore 1 the whole square divided by cos power 4 theta, that equal to 1 plus cos power 4 theta, 1 square means that is minus 1 divided by cos power 4 theta. Now plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, remaining answer is cos power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta. That's all. Next, cos power 4 theta is cancelled. What is the remaining answer is 1, that is LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Can you understand? Okay. Second subdivision, cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta, that equal to, first we write the formula of cot theta. What is the formula? Yes, that is cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by, again we write cot theta formula, cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Next we take the common value of cos theta in numerator and denominator. Take common value, that is cos theta is common, remaining answer is 1 by sin theta minus 1, that is numerator. Denominator is divided by, that's also cos theta is common, that is 1 by sin theta plus 1. Now cos theta is cancelled, the remaining answer is 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 by sin theta plus 1. What is the reciprocal of 1 by sin theta? Yes, that is cosecant theta. Therefore cosecant theta minus 1 divided by 1 by sin theta, that is a formula of cosecant theta plus 1, that equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1, that is equal to RHS, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Can you understand? Okay. Next, sixth one, prove the following identities. First one, sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B, plus again cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Second question is sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A, plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A, that equal to 2. The first one, take LHS equal to sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B, plus cos A minus sin B divided by sin A plus sin B. Okay, the denominators are not equal, therefore take LCM, that is denominator is cos A in plus cos B into sin A plus sin B, multiply the denominator values, and the numerator is cross multiplying, therefore that equal to sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B, plus cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. Okay, that equal to, first numerator value is sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B, that is A minus B into A plus B. Therefore we write the formula of A square minus B square. A value is sin A, B value is sin B. Therefore A square sin square minus B square sin square B, plus this also A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square formula. Here A value is cos A, B value is cos B. Substitute the values. Cos square A minus cos square B. The denominator is cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Okay, that equal to, now write the value of sin square A plus cos square A, because that is value of 1. Therefore we write A value is cos square A plus sin square A. Now second one is minus, remaining value is sin square B minus cos square B. Now take the common value of minus, therefore sin square B plus cos square B. Therefore that equal to, what is answer is sin square A plus cos square A minus sin square B plus cos square B divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. What is answer of sin square A plus cos square A? That equal to 1. Yes, minus second answer sin square B plus cos square B, that's also answer is 1, divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. What is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 by anything, that equal to 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Can you understand? Okay. Second subdivision, sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A, plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A, that equal to 2. Okay, the first we have to write the formula, two formula. First one A cube plus B cube, that equal to A plus B the whole cube minus 3A square B minus 3AB square. And second one A cube minus B cube, that equal to A minus B the whole cube plus 3A square B minus 3AB square. I will explain the formula. First one A cube plus B cube. A value is sin A, B value is cos A, that equal to A plus B the whole cube sin A plus cos A the whole cube minus 3 sin square A into cos A minus 3 sin A into cos square A. Now write the formula, rewrite the formula is sin cube A plus cos cube A, that equal to sin A plus cos A the whole cube minus, take the common value of 3 sin A cos A, 3AB into A plus B. 3AB into A plus B. A value is sin A, B value is cos A into A plus B. That is equation number 1. Second numerator value is sin cube A minus cos cube A. That is also we write A cube minus B cube formula. A value is sin A, B value is cos A. Therefore sin A minus cos A the whole cube plus 3AB. 3 into AB, AB value, what is A value? Sin A into cos A into A plus A minus B. A value is sin A minus cos A, that is equation number 2. Now subtracting 1 and 2 in LHS, we get that equal to sin A plus cos A the whole square minus 3 sin A cos A plus sin A minus cos A the whole square plus 3 sin A cos A, that equal to 3 sin A cos A is cancel, remaining sin square A, this is A plus B the whole square formula. So sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus this is A minus B the whole square formula. Okay, therefore write sin A square sin square A plus cos square a minus 2 sin a cos a. Now minus 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin a cos a is cancel. The remaining sin square a plus cos square a plus sin square a plus cos square a. What is the answer of sin square a plus cos square a? Yes, that is 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 that equal to 2. That is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Can you understand? Okay. Next, 7th question. Prove the identities. First one, if sin a plus cos a equal to root 3, then prove that tan a plus cot a equal to 1. Second one, if root 3 sin a minus cos a equal to 0, then show that tan cube a equal to 3 tan a theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. First one, given sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. Squaring both side we get, we taking square on both side, we get this is a plus b, the sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. Therefore a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta that equal to root 3 square taking square, that is we get answer is root of 9 that equal to 3. Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Therefore 2 sin theta cos theta that equal to 3 minus 1, that is answer is 2. Therefore 2 by 2 equal to 1. The sin theta into cos theta that equal to 1, that is equation number 1. Use 1 to prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Now take LHS value. Tan theta plus cot theta. What is the formula of tan theta? Yes, that is sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta, cot theta value is cos theta divided by sin theta. Therefore take LCM. Sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos into cos, cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. What is the answer of sin square theta plus cos square theta? That equal to 1. And then from 1, sin theta into cos theta value is also 1. Therefore the denominator also 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Therefore that is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. First one is proved. Second question, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta that equal to 0, that implies root 3 sin theta equal to change minus cos theta that equal to plus cos theta. Therefore sin theta divided by cos theta that equal to 1 by root 3. Sin theta divided by cos theta value is, that is tan theta that equal to 1 by root 3. What is theta value is? Yes, that is tan theta 1 by root 3 means theta equal to 30. Now take LHS equal to tan 3 theta. Therefore tan 3 into theta value is 30, that equal to tan 90. Tan 90 value is, that is undefined, that is infinitive. Take RHS value. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Substituting tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So therefore we get 3 into tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. So 1 root 3 is the whole square that equal to 3. Therefore 3 is cancelled. The numerator is 3 into 1 by root 3. We take 3 value is root 3 into root 3. Again root 3 is cancelled, remaining root 3 minus 1 cube is 1, root 3 cube is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 value is 3 into root 3 divided by 1 minus 1, that equal to 1 minus 1 means that is 0. So anything divided by 0, 1 by 0, root 3 by 0, that is root 3 into 3, that is 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 1 divided by 8, root 3 that equal to 8 divided by 3 root 3 divided by 0. So 0 means that is not defined, that is RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. 8th question, prove the identities. First one, if cos alpha divided by cos beta equal to m and cos alpha divided by sin beta equal to n, then prove that m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to n square. Second one, if cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equal to y, then prove that x square y to the power 2 by 3 minus xy square the whole power 2 by 3 minus 1. Solution. First one, take LHS equal to m square plus n square into cos square beta, that equal to, substitute the value of m into n value. Therefore m value is cos square alpha divided by cos square beta plus n value is, n square value is cos square alpha divided by sin square beta into cos square beta, that equal to, take LCM. Denominators are not equal, therefore take LCM. Cos square alpha into sin square beta plus cos square alpha into cos square beta divided by cos square beta into sin square beta into cos square beta. Now cos square beta is cancelled, that equal to, remaining answer is sin square beta into cos square alpha plus cos square alpha into cos square beta divided by sin square beta, that equal to, we split the two value of numerator. First one, sin square beta into cos square alpha divided by sin square beta plus cos square alpha into cos square beta divided by sin square beta. Now first one, sin square beta is cancelled, the remaining is cos square alpha plus second term is cos square alpha. We write cos square beta value is 1 minus sin square beta identities divided by sin square beta. Therefore that equal to cos square alpha plus, multiple the value cos square alpha into 1 cos square alpha minus cos square alpha into sin square beta. That is, we split the two terms, that is cos square alpha divided by sin square beta minus sin square beta into cos square alpha divided by sin square beta. Sin square beta is cancelled, that equal to cos square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by sin square beta minus cos square alpha. Now cos square alpha is cancelled, the remaining answer is cos square alpha divided by sin square beta, that is a answer of n equal to cos alpha divided by sin beta. Therefore square means n square, hence proved LHS equal to RHS. What is second question? Given that x equal to cot theta plus tan theta. First we find the x value, simplify the x value. Therefore cot value is cos theta divided by sin theta plus tan value is sin theta divided by cos theta. Now take LCM because denominator are not equal. Therefore cos into cos square theta plus sin into sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now what is answer of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Yes, that is 1. Therefore 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now take y value is secant theta minus cos theta. What is the reciprocal of secant theta? Yes, that is 1 by cos theta. Therefore 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Now take LCM, that is 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. What is identity of 1 minus cos square theta? Yes, that is sin square theta. Therefore y equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta. X equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. First we find the x square y value, that is x square is 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta into y value is sin square theta divided by cos theta. Sin square is cancelled, cos square into cos theta, that is 1 by cos cube theta. Second one we find the xy square, that is x value is 1 by sin theta into cos theta into y square means sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta, that equal to sin power 4 theta divided by sin theta into cos power 3 theta. That is now take LHS equal to xy power 2 the whole power 2 by 3, that equal to sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta the whole power 2 by 3. So 3 is cancelled, square is sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Therefore LHS equal to 1 by cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Now denominators are equal, therefore 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. What is the identity of 1 minus sin square theta? Yes, that is cos square theta. Therefore cos square theta divided by cos square theta equal to cancel, that is remaining 1, that is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Can you understand? Okay. Next, ninth one, if sin theta plus cos theta equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to Q, then prove that Q into P square minus 1 equal to 2P. Second one, if sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, then prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta equal to 4. First one, P equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Now what is P square? That is taking sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta 2ab. Now the LHS equal to Q into P square minus 1. Therefore we take P square first we find out, then next subtract minus 1. Therefore what is sin square plus cos square value is 1. Therefore 1 minus 1 is 0. P square minus 1, that equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now Q value is secant theta plus cosecant theta. Secant theta we have to write 1 by cos theta plus cosecant theta we have to write 1 by sin theta. Now take LCM. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now substitute P, Q and P square minus 1 in LHS. What is LHS? Q into P square minus 1. Q value is sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into P square minus 1 value is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now cancel sin theta into cos theta. Therefore 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. That is 2 sin theta plus cos theta value is P. Therefore 2P. LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Second one, given sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Now substituting sin square theta identity is 1 minus cos square theta and take cos theta equal to C. Okay. Therefore squaring 1 on both side we get sin square theta 1 plus sin square theta the whole square equal to cos power 4 theta. Okay, now write sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So cos square theta we have take, that is C square. Okay, next 1 plus sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. We write cos square value is C, that is 1 minus C square, that equal to C power 4, that is cos power 4 theta means C power 4. Next 1 minus C square into 1 plus 1 2 minus C square the whole square, that equal to C power 4. Next 1 minus C square we have to write A minus B the whole square formula. Therefore 4 plus C power 4 minus 4C square equal to C power 4. Now multiply the value 1 into 4 plus 1 into C power 4 C power 4 minus 1 into 4C square minus 4C square minus C square into 4 minus 4C square plus C power 4 into C power is 2 C power minus 6 plus minus into minus plus 4C power 4 equal to C power 4. Now simplify the value minus C power 4 plus 4c power 4 minus 8c square equal to minus 4. Therefore, we interchanging the values c power 6 minus 4c power 4 plus 8c square equal to 4. That is, we substituting c value is cos theta, that is cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta equal to 4. 10th one, if cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a, then prove that a square minus 1 divided by a square plus 1 that equal to sin theta. Therefore, a square means 1 plus sin theta the whole square divided by cos square theta that equal to, explain a plus b the whole square formula, 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta. Now the numerator is a square minus 1. Therefore, sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Take LCM value. Therefore, sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1, what is identity, 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta divided by cos square theta, that equal to sin square plus sin square 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by cos theta. The denominator will is a square plus 1 that equal to sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta, that equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, that is 2 plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta. Substituting a square minus 1 divided by a square plus 1 that equal to 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by cos square is cancelled, 2 sin theta plus 2. Take common value of 2, 2 is cancelled, the remaining answer is sin theta plus 1 is cancelled, that equal to sin theta. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We'll see you next class.